as a template. By turning your buttons, card, or icons into components, you can ensure consistency. For example, a button looks the same across your project. Let's take an example. First, look at this messy design with inconsistent buttons. Notice how some buttons are too big, others have the wrong colors, and some even don't align properly. In this case, we see a button with rounded edges on one screen and a square button on another with inconsistent padding. Next, I'm going to convert one of these buttons into a component. Watch. As I select the button, right-click and click Create Component. Now this button is a master component ready to be used. Finally, I'm going to replace the inconsistent buttons across the design with instances of this newly created component. Notice how every button now matches in size, color, and alignment instantly. So, what are components? Why are they useful? A component is your design's building block. For example, if you're designing a website or an app, you'll likely need buttons, cards, or icons that appear in multiple places. Instead of duplicating and manually updating each one, you can create a component and reuse it wherever needed. Variants. What are variants? Variants in Figma are like siblings within a component family. For example, your button might have a primary state, hover state, disable state, and so on. Instead of creating separate components for each state, you can group them as variants. See, first I'll select a button component and click the Add Variant button to add a new state. Let's use naming conventions like button primary and button hover for easy reference. Now I'll show you how to switch between these variants using the Properties panel. You can see how quickly you can access the different states of the button. Now, instances. What are instances? An instance is a copy of your main component, also called the master component. Instances inherit properties from the master but can be customized within limits. For example, you might have a button component with text saying "click me." In an instance, you can change the text to learn more, but the shape, colors, and spacing remain consistent unless specifically overridden. See, in this, I'll drag an instance of the button component onto the canvas. You'll notice it looks exactly like the master component. Now I'll change the text in the instance from click me to learn more. I'll also modify the master component size and you'll see how the instance adjusts accordingly while keeping its overridden text. Now, let's understand the difference between components, variants, and instances. A component is a reusable building block that you can create once and use multiple times. It's like a template. Example, imagine you create a button with specific text, color, and shape. You save that as a component. Whenever you need a button, you just drag and drop that component instead of creating it from scratch every time. So let's say a component is like a button design template that can be reused multiple times. Now, variants. Variants are different versions or options of a component. Example, you have the same button component, but you want a primary button, a secondary button, and a disabled button. Instead of creating 3 separate components, you make them variants of the original button component. Instances. An instance is a copy of component that you can use in your design. When you drag a component into your design, it becomes an information with you to stay curious and keep learning.